Greensleeves is a great song for practicing a lot of different techniques. That's because it has bends in it for accidentals, and we've got a lot of chord changes as well, and it's not on that major scale, so we're not really going to drone with this song. For that reason, it's a little more advanced, but it's a beautiful song. I would suggest learning it. The best way to memorize it is to break it down into two halves. We've got an A and B part in the first half and the A and B part in the second half, and the end of both A parts ends the same way, and the end of both B parts ends the same way. So that's a lot to say, but I'll label it to make it a little easier to memorize.